Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Shashank with a new video summary. Of course, it's a love story by Chetan Bhagat, Revolution 2020. It's a love triangle by Chetan Bhagat. Like, he is my inspirational writer. In writers, first I read this same book. First book of Chetan Bhagat was I read the first book was Revolution 2020. Then I read Half Girlfriend, and now I have read all the books he had written. They are simply awesome. This story is actually awesome. It has a love triangle, corruption, and how parents spend all their savings on such coaching classes so the children can crack the exams. Let's dive into the story then. The story surrounds around three characters who create a love triangle. They are Gopal, Arti, and Raghu. Then another character is Shuklaji, a politician who is corrupted, who is like main character, main plot of corruption part. The story starts with three friends at the age of 10 years. It was prayer time, everyone would be in the prayer hall or ground, and Gopal and Raghav were busy stealing food from others' tiffin. It used to be so nice, right? We keep some, we tell some reasons to stay in the class while everyone will be in the prayer hall. I too did sometimes, but not all times because our sir would hate us. So, okay, let's come to the story. Gopal and Raghav were busy stealing food from others' tiffin. It's that Gopal's mum had died when he was 4, so he didn't get good food. Like, he used to get good food, not fancy foods like cakes, some treats. He used to get common food. They were opening everyone's tiffin box and seeing. Then they find a box which looked fancy, and they found a big slice of cake in it. Gopal took whole, but Raghav insisted to cut it into half, so Gopal cut it into half with his ruler, then ate it. But Raghu didn't, as they heard the chatter of the other students, so they went to their seats. Then Arti started crying as her dress got stained by the chocolate on the ruler. Teacher took the ruler and saw the name GM. So she called Girish Mathur, but he told that he didn't do it. So then she called Gopal Mishra and threw him outside the class and told Arti to go and wash. There were only two students of the name GM, so Gopal Mishra got caught. It's obvious. In class, he gives laddu to Arti. It was he was thrown out of the class, and he took pencil with him and started writing on the walls, started scribbling on the walls like fifth C. He used to do that because he can find the class easier. He thinks like he can find the class easier when he writes fifth C on the walls. Then they go home, and Gopal sees that his family lawyer had come to home with a box of sweets. His father was asking, his father and lawyer were talking about their disputed land and how their uncle wanted that land for 3 lakh rupees. But Gopal's father didn't want to give that land because he was the son of farmer and he didn't want that land to go out of his hand. So he told that he will win the case and get that land. At the time, Gopal takes that sweet box and runs away. He thinks that he could give these sweets to Arti as he ate her cake. Now he can give these laddus to Arti. So then tomorrow in class he gives laddu to Arti, but she declines to eat because she was on diet. She says she was on diet. Seriously, bro, at the age of 10, who will do diet? I used to eat like elephant, more and more, and I used to say that we are growing children and we need more food. That was the line I told. So I, I say this line now also. Then Gopal gets sad and goes to his desk. Aarti asks why his mother doesn't give him good food. So Gopal tells that he doesn't have. So Aarti agrees to share her tiffin with him, but with one condition. He will not eat cakes and treats came in her, which are in her tiffin, and he will not steal. They both can eat in break together. This friendship continues as both become close friends. Now all three friends started to get coaching for JE, like they were in 12th. Heard that this exam is very tough. It's good that I didn't opt science after 10th. I opted commerce. So Raghu was very much good in studies, but Aarti and Gopal were not that good. Raghu clears JE with good rank, but Gopal's rank was very low. I mean, like 15, like 1,50,000 or something like that. Uh, so Aarti asks, like Gopal, but his rank was very low, so he decides to go to Kota for studying. He goes to Kota, and his father uses all his savings for the Kota coaching classes. Like the Indian parents, what like this happens, like they use their all savings in uh, their sons or daughters, their children's education. They use all the savings and give it to the coaching classes, and some may clear but some may not, because that particular job or that particular line is not suitable for them. They must follow that passion, but it doesn't apply in India, as we are forced to study the things that parents think. It's okay. Let's continue the story. He goes to Kota for studying. He goes to Kota, but also his rank was not that good. Like it was like 1,20,000 or something. He comes to Varanasi to find Raghu and Aarti dating. He was sad. Then when he goes home, his father gets sad as he didn't get good rank, and he also tells that I have found a job of waiter with 5,000 rupees salary per month. After listening to that, Gopal's father goes into a room and didn't open. So Gopal left the home. After he comes at the evening, he sees that his father had died. After finishing the rituals, he comes to know that his father is in debt of rupees 2 lakh rupees, and his uncle is giving 3 lakh rupees for that land. So then Gopal decides to meet his uncle, but his friends arrange meeting with the local MLA Shuklaji. They decide to build an engineering college in the disputed land. As he was MLA, he threatened Gopal's uncle and bought the land and built a college there. Now Gopal was the owner of the college. By this, Shuklaji had two benefits. Black money was invested somewhere, and by this college he will get good name in the eyes of the people. This is the same college Chetan Bhagat has come today for the inauguration. On the other hand, Raghu had become journalist, so he exposed Gopal's college and Yamale Shuklaji's corruption and how the college runs with the corruption money. Then Gopal gets angry by this. Like he gets angry by this, so he calls that newspaper and tells manager to remove Raghu from the job. So Raghu has to leave the job as these gundas will not leave him. This made Raghu to start his own newspaper called Revolution 2020. This is the name of the book. This was inspired by the name of the book. Okay. When which can expose corruption done in India. Here Raghu and Aarti were in a relationship from college days, but Raghu couldn't give time to Aarti as he was busy with his newspaper. So Aarti gets close to Gopal, like now Aarti was working in the hotel Ramada as receptionist as she couldn't become air hostess. and Gopal takes room there for his guests, but they didn't arrive, so he thinks of using the room. He insists Aarti to come and join him, so she joins him after sneaking to his room. As it was not allowed to enter the room for receptionists, they spent whole night alone. Like, it also says that they got intimate. After this, Aarti feels guilty as she was in relationship with Raghu but spent a night with Gopal. Then Raghu covers a big news which pressurizes Yamale to resign his post and go to jail. So the Gundas of Yamale destroys Raghu's press, but he didn't get demotivated by this. By this, he started writing by hand and started circulating it to the people. By this, Gopal got very angry and he went to Raghu's office to tell him that he was such a loser who lost Aarti as well as job. There, he meets a farmer whose son was on the deathbed as he drank the polluted water of the polluted water which was polluted by the Shuklajis or some other politicians, corrupted politicians factory. So the farmer came there to tell Raghu to cover the story. After seeing the boy, Gopal sees himself in the boy and thinks of correcting his mistakes. He receives advice from Aarti that he should marry her and become the MLA. Uh, how can he become the MLA? Some may think like, how can he become the MLA? Like, Shuklaji was arrested, so the MLA post was vacant. People asked Pradhanji, who is the father of Aarti, to become MLA, but because of his health conditions, they asked Aarti to become the MLA. But Aarti thought that she can marry she can marry Gopal, and Gopal could become the MLA. So she asked Gopal to marry her and become the MLA. But he tells to Raghu to get close to Aarti and become MLA as he wanted to change the system. Then he creates a scene where he was acting as he was enjoying with the professional prostitutes. Then Aarti, when Aarti sees that, Aarti's heart breaks and she agrees to marry Raghu. This is very sad part, bro. After a few months, Gopal gets the news of Raghu and Aarti's marriage. He gets a bit sad, like his love was getting married to his best friend, but gets busy with his college work. Then in the present, Gopal was telling the story to Chetan Bhagat and asks that, is Gopal a good man or a bad? What do you think, guys? Comment below. Like, do you think he's a good man or a bad man? I think he's good, like he corrected his mistakes in the end. But what do you think, guys? Do comment below.